uma usuze ukuthi babudokotela, I hate talking amabhebeza, ngeke ngezwe amabhebeza ku social media, but ngizwe into eziningi, but you said I must bring cowries. What else must I bring? Bring me a razor. Ngiphathele i-razor. Musu phathele imali engangithe boyiphatha uma ufuna ukuthi usufuna uku-introduce formally ngoba abantu abaningi because of 12,000 abanawo ukuthatha amabhebeza, but kunabanye sebethi hayi babudokotela ngiyawufuna ukuthatha sengifuna ukuzowulanda ngamaqinisa khona sengiyakwenzela ke. But you bring cowries. Yeah, kunabantu abathi babudokotela I'm in ministry but I want real power. I want real power. I want you to get umuthi nje ufuna nje power ngempela. Hamba ungitholele yabona le ngubo lena abayisenze emasontweni abasindiswa la muntu umewa abhengiswa yona. Hamba ungithengele lezo ngubo, leyo ngubo le ibe yodwa. Just ibe yodwa nje. Mase ungitholele ama cowries abe u9. Ungitholele razor ibe yodwa. Sizokuthatha ke thina. Ayisokuthatha thina sihambe nawe. Sizohlala nawe kule ndawo for 30 minutes. Into ozoyi-invoke lapha na. It is Ajaguraja. Ajaguraja. You must say Ajaguraja 41 times. 41 times. Till you feel something that is entering your system, your body. Ajaguraja, 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 Ajaguraja. 41 times. Mse siqede lapho mse sesiyahamba siyolwandle. Olwandle usokunika the spirit of healing, because spirit of healing ihlala olwandle. Sokunika the spirit of healing. Ufike kwenzeke le ritual esifuna uyenze lapha yana. And thereafter le ngubo okade usikusebenza ngayo lapha ya sizofike siyishiye khona lapho yolanda after 7 days. Muyilanda after 7 days uzobusuthatha nenhlabathi yakhona sekuhlangize konke. Umusi uyothatha zonke ke lengoba bayisensa ngicaba zo 3 esontweni noma zo 4 uthathe lengoba usifake emanzini naloko umusi uyakiyeka lapho kuhlala nje. Nani inhlabathi yakhona umusi usiyakwasha kahle ukhepha uthi abakuneke. It's done. You got all the power. You got the power. You got what is called the power. But if you want the power of seeing things before they happen, the power of seeing things as isangoma before they happen, the power of seeing things njengomthandazi before they happen, ngitholele ikati nje lifile, but it must be a black cat. Mhlawumbe lishayiswe imoto noma njalo kodwa kube ikati lifuna uhambe usukela amakati wabula.